What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing a cartoon kitten and a Halloween pumpkin. For today's drawing, we're going to start from the very top with the hat and work our way down towards the pumpkin. So let's start up here with the edge of the hat. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a wave. We're going to go up, come down towards the right, and then bend that back up. Now I want to tuck the cat's head underneath that curve. So on the left side, we're going to step in. We want to draw an oval. Going all the way around towards the bottom of the head. Go across and then bend that up on the right side. Now on either side, we're going to add two curves for the cheeks. Let's start from the outside, bend this up, and then come down on the inside, line this up on the right. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Now let's tuck two large circles for the eyes in behind the cheek. On the left side, going all the way around, and then back in, go to the right, and go underneath the hat, continue down on the outside. Let's go to the top right side of each eye, draw a small circle for highlight. And then on the bottom, we're going to draw a smaller circle for another highlight. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's move in between the eyes and draw a small oval for the nose. And then from the bottom in the center, curve the mouth, coming down and up towards the left, and then down and up towards the right. Let's add a couple whiskers on either side, starting underneath the eye, then it's out and then down. Step down and add another one. And do the same thing on the right. Now I want to wrap the brim of the hat around the head. Let's start on the left side. All the way around. I just want to follow that curve across the top, coming down and up on the right. That's going to round this out and then bend that back in towards the side of the head. Now with the top of the hat, we just want to flop it over on the right. So we're just going to go over toward the left side, bend this up, and then go across. Now let's bend this over. It's going to flop this down and then bend that back in to create a fold. Now in the center of this curve, add another fold coming in. Let's go underneath the bottom fold, bend the hat, coming down and then out towards the right. Now in the center, we're going to add a large buckle. Let's start on the left, go up, round at the top, going down towards the right, and then come straight down. Let's trace the sides of the top along the inside. Let's place that strap in behind. So from this top corner, step down, and this out and then down. Go to the right, step down, go out and down. Now I want to layer the paws on top of the pumpkin. Let's start from the left side of the head, bend this around, come in, and then curl that back up. Let's add two more paws. Coming around and then up. Add one more, tucking this up underneath the head. Now I want to take that and flip it over on the right. Again, starting underneath the head, around and back out, and the second, and then the third going up underneath the head. Now I'm going to wrap the opening of the pumpkin in behind the head and paws. Let's start from the left side. We're going to draw an oval, going around, go in, go across in between the paws, continue on the right, and then back in. Now I want to add a thick edge for the pumpkin along the back. Starting from the left side, and it's up and in towards the paws. Now just underneath the paws, let's add in the eyes of the pumpkin. Starting from the top, and it's out and then down toward the side. Go to the right, and do the same thing. Just round out the bottom of the eyes, coming in. Curve the eyes going up, and then out towards the top. Let's add a thick edge across the bottom of the eyes with a curve. And you want to fill the top of the eyes in black. Let's just move to the center and add in the nose, starting in the center, then it's out and down towards the left, then it's out towards the right, round at the bottom. Now again, we're going to add a thick edge across the bottom with a curve, and then fill the top of the nose in black. Now we're going to give our character a large smile. Let's start from the side of the eye, then it's around, and then in. We're going to add a sharp tooth, coming down and back up. Let's continue that curve going across towards the right, and then bend that back in. Now you want to draw the bottom of the mouth, starting back on the left side, go all the way around, cross towards the right. Let's add another tooth pointing up, going up and then down. Continue out on the right and back in. Now let's add a thick edge across the bottom of the mouth, starting on the left, going across, in towards the tooth. I'm just going to trace the tooth across the top, continue across and up on the right. And I'll fill the top of the mouth in black. Now I'm going to add those thick ridges around the pumpkin. Let's start from the outside of the paw, then it's out, and then down along the side. Let's go underneath the mouth in the center, starting on the left side, curves down, and then up, step down, then it's out, and then up. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I want to layer the side of the pumpkin in behind this fold. Let's start above that opening, go around, come down, and just tuck that in towards the side. Now let's decorate the bottom of our drawing with some leaves. Let's start from the left side, then the leaf going out and then down. Let's add a point, come down toward the tip, and that back up. Now it's going to work our way along the inside, just adding a couple points. And then from this tip, it's going to add a seam going up and then in underneath the pumpkin. Let's add another one over on the right. We're going to start from the bottom, go out towards the tip, and then work our way across the back. And then again, just adding that seam across the middle. Now I'm going to add a couple more layered in behind. Let's start from the left side. Just going to bend these up. And then I'm just going to finish off by adding a couple magical stars along the outside, starting from the left. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw a cat in a Halloween pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.